Hello everyone, I'm Shivangi. I have been listening to Acharya ji from 3 years now, and listening to Acharya ji has really created a huge impact in my life. If I talk about my fear, I was struggling through my fear very much. Even I'm speaking here right now, in front of you, in front of this camera, I was not able to speak. Even in front of a small crowd, or even to a person whom I'm meeting just now, I was not able to speak with him. By listening to Acharya ji, I just understood that what is fear and how I have to deal with this fear. Second thing, fear will be there. You have to move with this fear and handle the situation. So basically, this was my greatest learning, that how to deal with the fear. Second thing, there was lot of mental clutch with me. I can say I was in depression earlier, but right now, after getting lot of clarity from Acharya ji, I can say that I'm towards clarity. I have attained lot of clarity, and I'm continuing listening to him. I'm gaining clarity daily, and I'm really thankful to Acharya ji. And I just request everyone who are listening through YouTube or through Instagram, just on Reels, you are just missing out on the main and the core thing, what Acharya ji is teaching through classes. So it's my request, it's my humble request, please join Acharya ji's classes on Gita app, because there is the main impact you will feel. Because on Reels, you are listening, but that is the little impact that you are seeing in yourself as well, right? So if you want more clarity, it's better you join Gita sessions. Acharya ji is teaching many philosophies. You know, it is Bhagavad Gita, Western philosophies, Avadut Gita, many more new Gitas that we have not even listened of. We are just, Acharya ji is introducing those things to us. And we are really very privileged, you can say, that in a simple manner, Acharya ji is introducing all these things in front of us. So it's my request, it's my humble request, please join a Gita session, be part of this mission, and understand Gita and make your life simple, easy, and with clarity. Thank you so much.